Welcome to English through Book Ideas. Learn English, grow your mind.
Hi everyone. Welcome back to English through Book Ideas. Today, let's practice a very useful English question. What time do you get up?
This is a simple question, but we use it all the time when we talk about daily routines.
Imagine you meet a new friend, a classmate, or a coworker. You want to ask about their day. What can you say?
You can say, "What time do you get up?"
Great. Today, your speaking goal is to ask and answer questions about routines.
By the end of this lesson, you can ask about morning routines, after-class routines, work time, lunch, study habits, and bedtime.
Our main phrase today is, what time do you get up?
Listen carefully. What time asks about the hour. Do you is used for a question. Get up means leave your bed in the morning.
So, what time do you get up means, at what hour do you leave your bed?
For example, I can answer, I get up at 6 o'clock.
Or, I get up early. Simple and natural.
Now, let's listen to a short conversation. David and Julia are talking about their daily routines.
David, what time do you get up? I get up early. I usually get up at 6 o'clock.
Wow, that's early. What do you do after you get up?
I take a shower, check email, and then go to work.
Nice. When do you have lunch?
I have lunch at noon. Sometimes I have lunch at home, but usually I have lunch at work.
Do you exercise every day?
Yes, I exercise in the evening. After that, I watch TV for a little while.
Do you go to bed late?
No, I don't. I usually go to bed around 10 o'clock. Great listening. Now, let's break down the main question. What time do you get up?
The pattern is, what time do you plus action.
For example, what time do you study?
What time do you have lunch?
What time do you go to work?
And what time do you go to bed?
To answer, use I plus action plus at plus time.
For example, I get up at 6:30.
I have lunch at 12 o'clock.
I go to work at 8:15.
Now let's practice more routine questions.
Question 1. What time do you get up?
Answer, I get up at 6 o'clock.
Question 2. What do you do after class?
Answer, after class, I study and check email.
Question 3. When do you go to work?
Answer, I go to work in the morning.
Question 4. Do you have lunch at home?
Answer, yes, I do. I have lunch at home.
Or, no, I don't. I have lunch at work.
Now let's learn important vocabulary for routines.
Number 1. Get up early.
I get up early every day.
Number 2. Study.
I study English after class.
Number 3. Check email.
I check email in the morning.
Number 4. Have lunch.
I have lunch at 12 o'clock.
Number 5. Watch TV.
I watch TV at night.
Number 6. Take a shower.
I take a shower after I get up.
Number 7. Talk on the phone.
I talk on the phone with my friend.
Number 8. Exercise.
I exercise in the evening.
Now, let's learn a very common mistake.
Many learners say, "What time you get up?"
This is not complete. In English questions, we need do,
Say, "What time do you get up?"
not what time you get up.
Another mistake is, "I get up in 6 o'clock."
Don't say in 6 o'clock. Say, I get up at 6 o'clock.
Use at with clock time.
At 6, at 7:30, at 12 o'clock.
Let's practice correct sentences.
What time do you get up?
I get up at 6:30.
What time do you have lunch?
I have lunch at noon.
Do you study every day?
Yes, I study every day.
Do you go to bed late?
No, I don't. I go to bed early.
Now it's your turn. Listen and answer out loud.
Number 1. What time do you get up?
Say your answer now. Great! You can say, I get up at 6 o'clock, or use your real time.
Number 2. What do you do after class?
Say your answer now. Nice! You can say, after class, I study, or after class, I exercise.
Number 3. Do you have lunch at home?
Say, yes, I do, or no, I don't.
Number 4. Do you study every day?
Say your answer now.
Number 5. Do you go to bed late?
Say your answer now. Excellent! You are speaking English about your real life.
Let's review today's lesson.
Our main question was, what time do you get up?
You can answer, I get up at 6 o'clock.
We also practiced, what do you do after class?
When do you go to work?
Do you have lunch at home?
Do you study every day?
Do you go to bed late?
Remember the key rule. Use do you in simple present questions.
And use at with clock time.
Before you go, here is your mini speaking challenge.
Make 3 sentences about your daily routine.
Sentence 1. I get up at blank.
Sentence 2. After class, I blank.
Sentence 3. I go to bed at blank.
Write your answers in the comments or say them out loud 3 times.
If this lesson helped you, please like this video, subscribe, and share it with a friend who wants to speak English naturally.
Thanks for watching English Through Book Ideas.
Keep practicing a little every day and your English will get better.
See you in the next lesson.